Hello buddies, hope you are doing good. We are back with another important Smart India Hackathon video, and this video is going to be something very new and very important. Okay, so we have been talking about the winning PPT strategies, blueprint, evaluation criteria, and a lot of stuff since the last 2 years. This time we thought we have to do something different, and we've built a dedicated artificial intelligence custom GPT for you. So before getting into this, I want to talk something that is very more important, that is about our champions blueprint webinar. Okay, so every single video, every single reel we have put so far is with a mission of elevating hackathons. I am talking here in front of you with all the mission after winning 7 plus national hackathons and 75 plus hackathons all over India and across the globe as judge and mentor. Every single thing hackathon has taught me, students are unaware. From a college perspective, people will just see it as a normal event. But hackathon taught me a lot of stuff, starting from leadership, networking, team management, problem solving, design thinking, and what not. Okay. To bring this importance and share to all of us what my mission personally was, and my team has been working out for that. Okay. And apart from just these videos, a lot of stuff, starting from exclusive secrets of Smart India Hackathon, which no one will tell you. Certain things are actually harsh reality, and then the evaluation criteria, problem statement, strategy, and live breakdown is what we are going to do in this webinar. Apart from that, AI use cases and tools which are going to be an upper hand for you, product building roadmap, and a lot more stuff we are going to discuss in this 120-minute webinar. And as per the platform, we can have only 300 seats of max registrations, and we have already crossed 200 registrations with just around 5 days left for the webinar. Make sure to register and book your seat in this exclusive Champions Blueprint webinar, and let's pave the way to your Smart India Hackathon victory together. Now let's get into the thing. And now comes the surprising factor of the video. Okay, this is something no one has ever done in India. And see, I am a guy who loves sharing a lot of knowledge. Okay, and I've done my best through my videos. I believe that 100%. I hope you love it. Make sure to drop your comment on what you think. Okay, what I have done for you is, let me show. I have built a hackathon assistant for you. Hunters Hackathon Assistant, Smart India Hackathon 2025. Starting from your problem statement till your PPT, this one AI tool is going to help you. Okay, it may be surprising for you. Okay, how does it work, or why did I make it? Okay, the purpose here is that in Smart India Hackathon 2022, even though we won, we had a lot of hardships. Certain things I personally felt I needed a mentor, but I didn't have. And that's why I started this video series. And now I'm able to provide immense knowledge through the videos. And certain things you may have personal question to ask. If you're not able to join the mentorship, or if you're not able to book the webinar, this one AI tool is enough for having you the pace. I won't say that you go and use this AI tool, you're going to win Smart India Hackathon. It's not going to be like that. See, what's the difference between using this AI which I've built and the traditional GPT is, you don't know what you need, right? You'll be putting a problem statement, you don't know what you need. Every single thing is ready in this GPT. It's typically my brain replaced here. Okay, every evaluation strategy which I've used, everything which I've learned is fed into this GPT, including my PPT template, my problem statement breakdown style. Every single thing is in this GPT. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me show a small sample for you. Okay, let me go to our SIH website. Okay, let us go and take a let's take the first problem statement itself. So once I take the problem statement, I'm going to my GPT. I'll just say, hi, hope you're doing good. Okay. So once it's done, let's close this. So under second answer, it will be giving a warm welcome to you. So the initial flow itself is problem statement, your solution, your strategy for building the product, and winning PPT. Every single thing is covered in this structure. Okay. So let me just put my problem statement details. It is going to give an analysis which you can't even expect. Okay, so from an evaluator perspective, it is going to break down this whole problem statement. Who are your stakeholders, who are your challengers, every single thing will be here. Okay, this is just the base of what I'm saying. You'll be having let me just stop this. So it will be having most of this. Okay, apart from that, what can you do? Okay, this is just for showing you. Okay, So what can this AI tool do for you? Once you put this prompt, you just go and see. It will give a problem statement deep dive from an evaluator perspective, as much detail as possible from comparison tables. You can ask whatever questions you have in your mind you thought you could have asked me. Okay. And then a solution validation. Once you give your solution, it can give a validation like what can be better, what cannot be done, technical feasibility, how you want to build the product, what are the strategies, what tech stack you can use, your team ratio, what winning PPT framework you can use. Every single thing will be there. This is typically the template which I shared now. It's also there in this GPT. Apart from that, what strategies you can use, every single thing is gonna be in this AI built for you, by me, by your brother. Okay, so make sure to get full advantage of this AI tool. Okay, one thing I forgot to say is where you can go and add it. So just open your panel, go to the GPTs and search for Hunters Hackathon Assistant. This is what you will get. Okay, now once I click it, you will have a thing like that with the basic questions and all, what all capabilities. You can know every single thing from here. Once you start it, you can use it. Okay, and yes, we are reaching the end of the video, and a humble reminder for you, make sure to register for the Champions Blueprint webinar. Around 100 plus registrations have been crossed, and we are having just a last 100 plus seat availability. Make sure to use it for your full benefit. Make sure to have full advantage of it. Apart from this, if you want dedicated one-on-one mentorship, which was the highlight of Smart India Hackathon 2024, where we had around 142 individual mentorship sessions and many students benefited from that. And if you feel that you need one-on-one mentorship apart from the webinar perspective and every single thing mentioned in this video, make sure to check out this landing page link which I'm giving down, which is basically from Topmate. Okay, so as you see, it's actually selling fast, more than I expected. Thanks for the support. You can check out the PPT face mentorship where we'll be talking about PPTs, how you can make your PPT better, a detailed breakdown and idea analysis from my side. Apart from that, the ideation phase, which is basically up to the internal hackathon, your strategies and stuff. So both this combined, we have had a deal package where I'm giving it in offer. It's all up to you. Okay, it's not at all like if you take this session you will get the SIH victory, nothing like that. It's all about the mentorship thing which you may need or you may avail, and we have had around 6 to 7 PPT sessions and 5 ideation sessions as well. Make sure to have a look of it. It's going to be a huge advantage for you, and all the best for Smart India Hackathon. The next video hopefully will be dropping after the internal hackathon for your final winning strategy and every single thing we used. And from the evaluator lens, I have a high probability for going as SIH 2025 evaluator as well. So all the best. Until then, signing off, Kamal Das.